right. I feel like I've already ordered one of these, but I have not. So, yeah, it doesn't look like I've taken this apart. All right, so here we have just a battery order. Here we have an HP 17 BY 3063 ST. It's a refurbished unit. Man, is it ever refurbished. But we need to just get the battery out. We're going to replace the battery. It's the only thing it's here for. Definitely seen much better days. In pretty rough shape. So on the bottom we have 2 screws underneath there. There actually might be a third right there. Let me verify. So there's 4 screws that are visible. Yeah. And then there's a bunch of additional screws. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hidden screws and 4 visible screws. So we got to get all of these screws out. Easiest way to tell what is what. Generally, the screws that are under the pads are silver, they are shiny, and the screws that are not. So shiny, not shiny. If I can put them next to each other so you can see. So yeah, so this is the screw that's under the pad. This is the screw that's not under the pad. Very easy to keep them visibly separated. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. That should be all of them. We're going to pull this out. All right, cool. Underneath here, we have 2 more additional screws. And one of the things we'll do when we have this apart, we'll do a quick breakdown of what you're looking at when you have this open. And then you can see this thing is, this is not a good look. This is already broken, so we need to be a little careful getting it apart. Just want to get an edge so we can get separated, and then just use our fingertips, work our way around without pulling too hard. There's also a crack in the case right there, which you can see. Alright, so once we're inside, here's what we see. We have our battery, which we're going to be replacing with an HT03XO. Let me get that ordered. Okay, that's ordered. Let's make a quick note in here, number 22. Alright, so back to looking at this. We have our battery, which is what we're replacing. We have our NVMe over here, which this one is not an Intel one. This is from a company called Solid State Storage Technology Corporation. Who knows? We got our NVMe. We have a standard spinning style drive over here. So we have our bootable drive, and then we have our data. This is a daughter board that's connected all the way over, probably underneath the board right here. This is our keyboard connector, Wi-Fi connector. This is the slot for the DVD-ROM. CPU cooling fan, which definitely needs a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my compressor. We'll blow that out a little bit. I can see, you can see it as well. That little gray line you're seeing right there, that is, yes, that is indeed, there you go. That is indeed dust, and you can see hair. Then we have memory. We have additional spot for memory. We have our CPU die. This section of the board, when you're looking at it, is where, if this had a GPU, that's where the GPU die would be. We got our speakers. And that's everything there is to see about the inside of this. So let me blow that out real quick. And then we'll get this put back together and get it put on the shelf while we're waiting. So, kind of as you can see, much better. We'll give it a quick dust up too. And this guy is ready to get put back on a shelf. And we're not going to put it all the way back together because this will save me some time taking it apart. So again, all of these screws that I took out can just go in one thing, because we remember shiny silver screws go under pads, matte silver screws go over pads, and then these 2 screws here just go underneath there. So Nice, easy peasy, easy breezy, simple computer repair. All right. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.